So breaking news coming in, a BJP ward member Mehrajuddin Malla kidnapped from Baramulla. Security forces have launched a massive manhunt to track him. In fact, searches are now being carried out at various places. The incident comes days after gunmen had killed BJP leader in Bandipora and killed him along with his two family members. Some unfortunate news coming in of a BJP ward member Mehrajuddin Malla who's been kidnapped from Baramulla. Security forces there have launched a massive manhunt to track him down. Security forces have launched this manhunt in search of those responsible. Searches are currently being carried out in various places in the vicinity. The incident comes days after the gunman had killed BJP leader in Bandipora, killed him along with his two family members. Let's cut across to Shuja joining us for more details on this. Shuja, after one BJP leader was killed with his two family members, unfortunately we hear that another BJP ward member, Mehrajuddin Malla, has now been kidnapped from Baramulla. Any information or evidence tracking this man?
Well, yes, that's correct, Nabila. This information has just come in just about an hour back. What we know so far is that this activist who was associated with the BJP and in fact his father apparently has also been associated with the BJP was just moving in the vicinity of his locality when suddenly a few men came in. They dragged him into their vehicle and whisked away from that spot. Now, the police and the other security forces are saying that they are constantly on a lookout for him. They're trying to figure out where exactly he has been taken out. Massive manhunt has been launched in the entire area. And you're absolutely right. This incident has come just days, after a similar incident took place in this, Bandipora area where another BJP local leader, Wasim Bari, was killed, and along with him, two other family members of him were also targeted. Those incidents, in fact, were condemned widely by senior leadership of the BJP. In fact, Ram Madhav and Dr. Jitendra Singh, along with other BJP leaders, have had themselves, came in and visited the house of Wasim in Bandipora just a few days back. So clearly, it does at this point of time look like that there are threats that these local activists of these political parties are facing, and the police is saying that they are doing their level best to try and help them.
Absolutely, Shuja. Let's hope they find him at the earliest. Thank you very much for bringing us those details. On that note, is a wrap in this bulletin. For further news and updates, do log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download our app for more news and updates. Continue on the other side.